Morantz is first, baby. Let's go. I totally forgot it was quad witching day, guys. Let's see. Pull up Twitters, pull up Vortex. Let's see if it actually, if the SI on AMC actually went up above 21. Okay, perfect. What do you mean you're still waiting? Is this stream delayed? Let me check really quick. Stream settings. No, we're on ultra low latency, so so max you should have like a 1 second delay. You know we don't have that Arby's Wi-Fi anymore. What's going on, Ruben? Good morning. Damn, it's so cold out here. I can't believe it. Yesterday I had a bad migraine because of that. It was warm in the morning and it just got cold out of nowhere. Let's see, AMC, which is at 24 right now. It's not doing too bad, but just like we warned, there's a possibility that this Fed rip that we had on Wednesday, it might come down, and that's the only thing I was scared of. And look, AMC did kind of pull back a bit. So we're back at those levels, those closing levels on Wednesday. GameStop 144. We should see a lot of gamma movement today. Look at Tesla going from 909 to 930. It's coming right back down. If you're trading today, I don't know. I think it might be best if you just sit on your hands for a bit. Oh, Robert Brown got tired of waiting and watching Trey and said, "Does Trey stream still?" That's a good question. I still ask myself. I think I know Matt does because I still get his notifications. I don't think Trey still streams. No, it doesn't say he's live. Matt is live though. That's the AMC short interest is at. I can't see this. It's too small. 20.42%. I think it was at 20.7% the other day. Let's go to GameStops. They made it so much more complicated. 17.2%. If I'm not mistaken, the last time we saw GameStops, I think it was showing like 11 or 14%. So GameStop's SI, according to Ortex, is also on its way up. AMC coming back down. I got a GameStop alert. Let's see. It's coming back down. 142. Let me set a couple of alerts on SPY, which I do have one right here. Look, it's coming down. Markets are coming down again. Today's going to be important. Today's closing day is going to be very important, setting the tone for next week. Morning, Jolly. Morning, Kyoto. Let's see what we have here on Twitter. SPY's coming down, baby. AMC pre-market low was 23.55. I don't want to see it crack 20s again. Oh, why am I getting these horrible tweets again? I'm telling you. I don't even follow her, but her tweets get recommended. AMC theaters. By the way, I think Adam Aaron tweeted as well. Of course, AMC stock drops pre-market on good news on Spider-Man box office numbers. By the way, did anybody see that movie? My cousin had to see that movie twice in the same night. Yesterday he saw it twice. I'm like, why are you seeing it twice? He's like, because the movie's so good. It's just so good. If you saw it, please don't spoil it. Did he tweet? No, I don't think he tweeted. He usually tweets pre-market to pump the stock, which is pretty smart. AMC 500K is trending. Harvard is trending as well. He tweeted, yeah, he did tweet. Staggering Spidey numbers, 1.1 million people watched the new Spider-Man movie. Biggest AMC opening day for December. Second biggest opening day at AMC of all time. Biggest one-day sales for any movie in the year of 20 and 21. My question is why you sell? Why did he sell? If he knows this is gonna happen, why is he still selling some shares? Why not just postpone his retirement for 1 or more 2 years? I don't get it. Or why not buy the stock? When you pay for Tara OnlyFans, all her tweets get recommended. It's the freaking AMC movement, I'm telling you. I don't even follow AMC theaters and it's getting recommended. Look. They're quoting out of Marin. That was a good one though. Let's see. 459 on the SPY. We got rejected literally at all-time highs at 473.50s. All right, I have another alert there, so we'll just leave it at that. Neo's also getting obliterated lately, getting wrecked. Might get pink eye. What's going on, Stacks? So Ralph is a Taro paid member. Interesting. She bought my OnlyFans. That's what happened. So it looks like that actually. Look at AMC, man. What do we do, guys? Um, if it cracks 20, if AMC closes under $23 today, it's gonna get ugly. It's gonna get ugly. But I think we're following the overall market anyways. So we're in the hands of the SPY, which by the way is not looking too great. GameStop 141. Robinhood is looking even more bleak this morning. Yeah, Robinhood has also been getting wrecked. By the way, Jim Cramer was trending yesterday, and I was pretty intrigued. I'm like, why is my good old uncle trending on Twitter, Mr. Jim Cramer? And I clicked it, and I guess there's a screenshot of all the recommended picks that he recommended on his show, Mad Money, at the beginning of the year, and where the stocks are at now. Literally, every single stock he's recommended on that list is red. And red by far. Like I saw some plays on there. I had a screenshot on my phone. I'll try to find it again, but literally, if you did the opposite of every single play he said, you'd be up a lot this year. They were calling him a financial terrorist. Hood was at what, $80? 85. That's 17 and has earnings coming up. I might have this. It might sound weird, but this might actually be a bad buy. And AMC is being bipolar again. It's at 24. This might be setting up for a buy. Robin Hood. We'll see how much lower this can go, for the most part, when stocks are coming down to like its yearly low like this, a perfect example is Alibaba. This stock can go to like 15, $10. So there's still more room for this to drop. Speaking of Baba, 118 is still honoring this ridiculous trend line downtrend here. It hit 108. It might come down to 100. We don't know. I'm gonna set another. I do have another at 100. Let me set one on Hood, by the way, really quick before I forget. GME. What's going on? The Gifted Comedy says check out the 1 year chart of UK stock THG. Most of the drop on sentiment only. I don't get it. I don't see a drop on here. There's not a lot of volume, so I'm not interested in this. What is this stock? Marantz, you're telling me Cook? Revenue lost 162 million. I don't know, man. I might have to look more into this company after. Go against his picks. SMU wins. Yeah, it was like 76% for Cramer. There goes AMC. And needs to close above 2,300%, or else it could get real ugly next week. SPY is going up to new all-time highs next week, says Kyoto. It's guaranteed. Bears will go back into hibernation. VIX is the only green thing on my watch list. What is VIX at, like 26? 22, that was way off. And AMC's coming back. So no clear direction, guys. No clear direction. We'll set an alert here just in case the VIX starts to creep up. No clear direction, in my opinion, for AMC just yet. It's just going up, coming down, and these wicks on these candles are insane. Those are the quad witching candles, baby. We should see some gamma moves today, specifically into close into the last hour of the market today. Heat map check. Is this updated? Because usually it takes a while for the heat map to check, but it's not looking too well. Not looking too well. My little cousin just got a PS5 from GameStop, $940 bundle. Bundle, I'm assuming it comes with a game, and that's great because I mean PS5s have been in demand. There's not a lot of them. You can't go to Best Buy; they sell it like this on the website. But the other day on Twitter, I saw that they were trying to pass this thing that bans these scalpers from the websites. These computer. I have a couple of friends who actually have made tremendous amount of money scalping things like that, and they get a lot of hate online for that because you're hoarding all these shoes like Supreme, all these Gucci things, and PS5s, for example. I mean, think about it. They're selling for retail. What was the retail price on those things? On the PS5s? Like $400? No, probably less. 400 bucks. But resale, they're selling easily for like 800, 900 bucks. Think about the profit you're making and the amount of PS5s you're able to get. Why do I have why do I have two AMCs pulled up on my screen? I was like, why do they look so similar in the pattern? No, GameStop 139.33. I don't think that's the right THG either, comedy. I think that's not the right stock. I told him to take a pic. There goes AMC again above 24 pushing. GameStop forces you to bundle when you buy PS5, and that's how they're selling games and accessories that don't sell. That's a smart idea. To me, that's a smart idea. But do they? I'm actually the local GameStop had actually closed down, so I'm gonna go see what's up with that. There's one at the mall as well. I'm gonna see if they have PlayStation 5s. Maybe we'll give another one out. We don't know. Think we're some defaults to US exchanges. Yeah, I figured that wasn't the right stock. All right, are we gonna have another move down here on AMC? Can you guys see this right? Or my head, big old head blocking this? Let me move this to the right. There we go. Oh my, Tesla, Tesla, Tesla. Moran said 1010, baby. So Tesla's not going to 1010 by the end of the year, which is right around here, right around my blue line. My blue line is what I consider my big support and resistance levels. Supply and demand zones. There goes AMC 24. Go, baby. Don't come back down. Even Tesla's moving. Nasdaq should be pushing back. Yep. Let's set another alert here on Nasdaq. NQ futures, just in case we come back down. GameStop rebounding. All right, let's see it, AMC. We need to go somewhere. It's kind of flat on the day as well. Look, it's only down like 11 basis points. It's not moving a lot. Go back on Twitter. AMC 500K is trending. That just sounds crazy. 500K? Think about the market the market cap at that price. Oh my gosh, some pictures on here. Did anybody go see the Spider-Man movie last night? Apparently this guy did because he took a picture, I mean. There goes AMC 2460, baby. It's in the green. GameStop is still in the red, not even down a lot, so let's see a nice recovery on that. Today should be a green day. Let's go. He took this picture. I don't know where this is at, but obviously you can see it's a packed parking lot. No movies for me. We ain't living. AMC 500K. No sell. No sale. Did he spell sell wrong? Or am I crazy? No sell. F the shorts. Gasparino. I thought the movies were dead. 2470. Um, you guys hear about the Anchorage Capital thing? I streamed the new Spider-Man movie. On what? Where can you stream it at? Is it HBO? Rob? Look at these beautiful green candles on AMC and GameStop. Come on, baby. Overextend yourself. Let's go to 26. Come on. It's in the green now. GameStop's only $1.28 from green. 24.75. Yeah, it's not updated. 2 weeks and $100 to go on Tesla. I think that's a fair closing price for the end of the year. 10.10. What's your entry for GME? If I were to buy on the dip, it'd probably be at like $100. I'm being honest. But I don't think we'll get $100. I don't think people are gonna let this drop under 100 because that's such a psychological number, like $100. Think about it. I don't know, Rob. I really don't know because I had another friend who was telling me about streaming it. I'm telling you, look, I don't have Netflix accounts or HBO Max or all that, so I'm not aware of like what movies you can stream. To be honest, I'm really not. And I knew you had told me before you stream movies on HBO Max or something, so I really don't know. Like I really don't keep up with all this stuff. There we go. Actually, Tesla should be ripping into oblivion. Let's go. There we go. 940. Damn. Look at AMC 25. GameStop should be in the green now. Let's see. Down 57 cents. 125 for GameStop is the lowest psychological entry. I would say 100. I would say 100. I mean, if it does crack under 100, that's gonna make some. It's gonna rattle the meme community. But I don't think so. I don't think it should crack under 100. Again, pay attention to the overall macro environment. I don't think we'll see 100 Morans, but usually I've been very patient and it's been paying off. Like I've been getting good entries. SPY on its way back up. If your buy point is 100 and you don't think it'll hit 100, doesn't that mean you never intend to buy GME? I have before. It's just I don't think it'll hit 100, but just the way I've been patient on stocks, like bro, AMC was at 30. I'm like, there's a chance it could hit 25 and I'll get a good entry. But I was like, maybe it won't crack under there, and it did. It went to $20. It went to $20 with absolute certainty. I went from not being so sure to being like, it's going to $20 for sure, and it did hit 20. It didn't even crack 20. That's what blows my mind. That was such a lucky play. NQ is still ripping. What? The show goes on, baby. We're still waiting for GameStop to push to 146. It's like stuck. It's like frozen. And that would be an amazing entry. $100? $100? I have something waiting for 100 entry? What do you mean I have something waiting for? Like you have some cash on the side or? All right, here we go. Let's see. If we could hold these pullbacks on AMC like at 24.70, 24.50 and continue to rip like it did the other day, that'd be amazing. I did that this day right here. It held the rips. Even at 23, I was starting to sell. I was beginning to sell some stock of AMC when it hit 23 because I was like, that's such a good rip. It's gonna come back down. I was so wrong and never came back down. So this is gonna be important to see how we hold these midday lows around 24.50, and if we keep on going, it'd be 25. But most importantly, let's not hit 23 because it could get ugly. The market's closed tomorrow. Yeah, it's Saturday tomorrow. What did I say tomorrow? Prognostic for Neo. Yeah, and we talked. We I pulled up Neo earlier, but it was getting wrecked. This was another one that I was looking to buy when like at 32, right? You guys remember this stock? Look at all these lines I have on here. Another one. If you look at the daily chart, we're coming to the yearly lows, the 52-week low at 28. Like Alibaba, it could keep on going lower. Like good old Vlad, good old Hood. It could keep on going lower. It's at 1763 Robinhood right now. Just remember this. It could probably go to 15, 12, $10. Which, by the way, like I mentioned earlier, might be a good buy. It might be a good buy. But Neo has been losing his connection to Tesla. Or at least for today. I don't really see the similarity anymore. Alrighty, we're having a slight pullback here. Let's see how aggressive these pullbacks really are. Roblox. What about Roblox? This one had a massive earnings rip, right? Yep. Look at that. There's a massive gap to close here. Let's draw this out really quick. So, might come down to 80. There's a couple of gaps here to close. I'm so mad at myself for not listening to my gut and taking profits around the 134, 140 range. I mean, if you bought at 80, right? Even the day before earnings, and you hold for the next couple of days and it's already at 140, it makes sense to lock in at least some profits. Because usually when you get a lucky break like that, like a lucky catalyst like earnings, well, it's like you have to sell. I forgot what book I read that in. But when you get a lucky break like that, you sell right away, no matter what. And especially if your gut is telling you to. What's going on hot this year? I'm so used to seeing you in Maratz's channel. It's the 9:30, 12:30 a.m. Central Time dead zone that you have to worry about. I'm so confused. Oh, if I said tomorrow, then obviously no. Tomorrow the markets are closed. I got a stock that's just under $100. Great entry for you. Tell me it. Don't tell me it's Roblox though. I don't think it'll get down to 80. I'm in at 79. Well, that's why you don't think it'll get down to there because that's your entry price. But from the standpoint of my standpoint that I don't have no Roblox, and I think we're coming down to that price. I think we might see 85. There we go. I think we might see low 80s. So you know what? We'll set an alert just to keep up with this. GameStop 144.88. It is now in the green, baby. Welcome to the I didn't listen to my gut and sell AMC at 70. We drink at 5 on every. Didn't you just sell, Ruben? Yeah, I remember you messaged me on Discord saying you sold. You still walked away with a profit, so you still won at the end of the day. All right, AMC is doing exactly what we wanted to do, which is again holding these support levels as it pulls back. 24.78. Let's go. Today is quad witching day, which means a lot of chop, a lot of selling, then hopefully a bottom this afternoon. Interesting. All right, heat map check. I don't think this is like live or something. It's not moving. Scrolling through Twitter. Let's see. Nothing breaking yet. Wait, Christian Eriksen is trending. Is he back playing? Is he playing again? Oh, they have mutually agreed to terminate his contract as he rehabs from the cardiac arrest he suffered. That sucks. Just be happy you didn't buy into the AMC after the June spike. There's people that bought at AMC there and they're probably still holding, which sucks. I'll probably be dumping my last dozen AMC shares on the next one. Oh, that's why Harvard is trending. I think admissions came out for Harvard. I'm nervous. My admissions come out in April and it varies. It varies between school. I think late March is one, and then April, and then for sure May. And you'll know by June where you're going. That scares me kind of. One Bitcoin is trending. Why is Bitcoin crashing? No one's pull up. What's that website? BitConnect? No. Coinbase. No, Coin Market Cap. Morning, Pam. Joe Skis. Good morning. I bought, I bought their Kyoto. I am holding for 1 million a share. That's a shilly price, to be honest. If you think AMC is going to 1 million, you're a shill. We're going to 10 million, baby. GameStop 144 is back in the red. It's kind of flat here. So let's see where this takes us. I think it's kind of waiting for AMC to do something. Let's hope we get a 25 break on this. Bitcoin is down 5%. You guys saw that glitch earlier this week on crypto? I saw people posting their portfolios and they had like 30, $50 million in there. There was this crazy glitch on there. I think Bitcoin like dropped to 32K for a second and then went back up. Yeah, it's gonna be 1 year already, Ruben, for the whole AMC GameStop thing. That's insane. AMC to 0.1000. What's going on, Ragnar? I can't do a backflip anymore. I think I have scoliosis. Buy Tesla today? I mean, this is what happened the other day. We had a disgusting rip and then we just pulled back aggressively. I have my alert here set just in case it crosses under 926. Scoogs, good morning. Been a while. Was happy to see Ralph got back in and had to tune in to see how it was going. It's going great. Of course, we're still watching GameStop AMC. We're still waiting for the MOAS. It has to go back to 1,000. I think that's what I'm gonna go do today, guys. I'm probably gonna go see Spider-Man. I'm probably gonna go see that. Yeah, AMC needs the AMC needs the money. Let's go support. No, I mean I'm still holding it in my long term, so it doesn't even matter if I think about it that way. A Kyoto. Come on, AMC baby, let's go. Here comes the 26. 2501. Let's have a rip. One thing I was noticing yesterday was that every time AMC had like a little push, it just dropped immediately. Like people were selling. Like somebody there was selling, and you just see like a bunch of red on the times and sales tape. What the heck is going on? Is there a wall there or what? 25 doesn't want to break. The more good, the more the good news for the movies comes in during the break, the more Algo works to put AMC to sleep. That's one thing I've noticed as well. Every positive news, let's get some negative news on AMC. Maybe it'll do the inverse, right? Come on, there we go. It doesn't want to break. Rip. Oh, Kyoto, I have to have a different account, like on TD Ameritrade. There we go, baby. Let's go. This is it. To actually not like trade it, to not see it, like spy shares, test, all of that has to just not be seen. Like I don't even log into my on Thinkorswim on the app. You could log into every account you have, right? And you could swap accounts, you can see all your accounts. I don't even log in on there because I don't want to see. Like at the back of my mind, I know the price, right? And I kind of have an idea, but I don't want to see it. Oh man. I tweeted to Adam Marin choke on that. Let's see. Rotten Tomatoes audience score of 99%. No Way Home. Oh, that's Adam Marin's tweet, by the way, not Moran's tweet. Oh yeah. There we go, baby. AMC's pushing. That's the rip we're waiting for. Let's see if GameStop wakes up. 144 for GameStop. 25.22 for AMC. Let's go to 26, baby. And it's Friday. Usually for AMC, you know what would happen on Fridays. For the most part, like a couple months ago, I'd get wrecked every Friday. Adam Aaron says, meanwhile, mainstream media keeps writing that movie theaters are dead. Blah blah blah. It isn't inconvenient for conventional wisdom when facts make whatever. How's that word? Mincemeat of doomsday pessimism. You know what I say? Facts are facts. Choke on that. Adam Aaron, you know what I say? You sold AMC stock. AMC is still a negative cash flow company. Choke on that. Adam, I called Moraz. Adam Aaron. Moraz, I don't see your reply. Oh, there we go. Facts are facts. Choke on that. You sold 90% of this amazing company. Additionally, you sold 400 million shares to retail. You're saying one thing and doing the other. Want to prove you're a real leader? Buy back in. You're at a profit. That would be my ultimate conviction on AMC. And if Adam Aaron or the CFO, Sean Goodman, buys back some stock at this price, then I'd be ultra bullish on AMC. I'd be really bullish. 25, baby. Let's go. Good news equals dump. That's how it's been lately. Ortex for AMC. Let me log back in. I closed that actually. It was at 20.41%, I believe. $20.41? 20.5, so it's actually creeped up a little bit. There's GameStop again back in the green. Oh, there we go. 25. Don't drop, baby. I want to see if Ryan Cohen bought the dip from this week on the insider filing. If Adam Aaron buys back true, yeah, it's true positive move. Absolutely, any CEO buying back their stock is bullish. So you're saying you'll never be bullish on AMC? You guys are twisting my words. Earlier it was GameStop, I'll never buy because it was never at 100. Now it's I'll never buy or never be bullish on AMC because Adam Aaron's never gonna buy. Market Watch tweet: the SEC finds J.P. Morgan $125 million. Why? J.P. Morgan Securities admitted that it had violated federal securities laws by failing to preserve employee communications about business matters that were made during or made using personal messaging accounts and devices. The SEC said, and as we're talking about the SEC, AMC's pushing, baby. I want to see that 26. I mean, look how ridiculous this looks. These rips. This is truly another Wednesday. No, I think Neil could drop even more. S93. Rivian is tanking hard. Yeah, that was another company where the insiders were supposedly buying. I mean, they can't sell. They're still locked in. They're still locked in on their IPO share. Or is it the IPO rule? That's what they call it. IPO lock. 2542 AMC, baby. Let's see 26 on this rip. 2450 or 49. I need my glasses. $125 million fine doesn't seem like a lot though. There it is, 2450s, baby. Let's keep on. Let's keep the rally going. I'm surprised GameStop's not rallying. Does it usually take like a little longer because of the lack of volume? I'm assuming. Or even the other day, AMC saw 100 million volume. The meme stocks are back. Probably not live Monday because I'll wait before I go. I'll probably just watch you. I need CLNE, which is I'm assuming clean energy, to stay sub 7 a little longer. And I'll pick up 1,000 shares. AMC 25, 57, 58. Let's see 60, baby. 25.60. We're only 40 cents away. Remember the days that this stock was double? Nostalgic. Yeah, I remember it bounced to like 60 even after that drop. Yeah, we had this drop here to 30 when Adamaran. I remember this more. I remember it's so insane these days that just are imprinted or on like your brain, on your memory. Like I still remember how I woke up physically that day. It's insane. I woke up on my right side and my phone was like a foot away. And I flip my phone and the first thing I see is Adamaran diluting the stock and the whole Mudrick Capital thing. I still remember that. It's nuts. And I'm thinking, holy crap! And I look at my phone. AMC stock is at $30. There is a Santa rally. Do you think the algo speeds up and slows down on the volume? I don't know, man. I really wish I knew. There's this good book I'm about to read. It's called Dark Pools. So I'll let you know what I pick away from that. I can see Moran's getting mad when Ralph said GameStop moving slower because no volume. Well, that's the truth. There's not a lot of volume compared to when it was 300-400 bucks. It was insane. This stock was dropping like 8-7 bucks on each cat. It was like Tesla. But one good point Morantz made yesterday, which I still remember, and I'll probably is that both of these stocks were at the same price, same level, like last December. Think about it. I was like, man, he's right. I forgot about that. He's right. One's at 25 and one's at 145. What book is that, Ralph? Dark Pools? Yeah, it's by Scott Patterson. I finished reading his other book called Quants about all these that's what they call themselves, quantitative traders. The ones who crafted all these algos back in 2008 that really caused the market crash. It was called the Golden Touch because it was this algorithm that really just scalped it was like an arbitrage thing where it scalped 10, 20, 30 cents on the markets, the currency markets, forex. That's essentially what arbitrage is. And think about it, if you have a lot of these robots doing that, it's you're not accounting for the human emotional factor. So for their statistics, their probability of a market crash, what happened in 2008 was like 1 in 10,000. And think about that. That happened back to back to back. So that's what they were missing there. That's a really good book, by the way. It brings up, guess who? Mr. Ken Griffin. It talks about Citadel, talks about all these other people with PhDs from all these universities coming together. Long-term capital management was another one of them. Really good book, but it's the same author, Scott Patterson, if I'm not mistaken. Scott Patterson, American actor. American actor? No. Let me see. Scott Patterson. Quants. Oh, it is Scott Patterson. Yeah, it's this book, The Quants. How a new breed of whizzes conquered Wall Street and nearly destroyed it. Yeah, this book. Read it. It's good. And towards the end of that book, he talks about dark pools for like a couple pages, but he doesn't really go into depth. But his other book on dark pools, I'm pretty sure he does, which I haven't got a chance to read. I've been reading Alan Greenspan's book. It's called A Turbulence Something. Era of Turbulence. If Adam would get AMC involved with loop ring, oh my! I haven't even really dug too much into that as well. Remco, the loop ring situation. I know I saw Adam. Why do I keep calling Morant's Adam Aaron? I keep calling Morant's Adam. I saw Morant's yesterday. Pull it up on Coin Market Cap, and it was like 20, no, 52 on the rank, 52. And I think loop rings are what, $2, something like that. Next week will tell us if bear market is finished. I agree hot this year. That's why I said today is gonna be very important for next week. It's gonna set the tone. Spies that talking about setting the tone for next week. Spy just came down. Spy just came down. Tesla's at or below. Oh, I'm telling you, baby. Sometimes it pays to be patient. Let these stocks drop. Except AMC, man. We need AMC to go up. We need GameStop to be going up. Let me see this again. Let me take a quick look at this again. Oh man. No, both of these are like holding support. I mean, they have been getting. I mean, GameStop was at 250, 4 hour. You see that blue line? That's called the EMA. Nothing but resistance along the EMA. It failed here to bounce, pulled back down. So it looks. See, that's why I think we don't go under 100. It's gonna be very hard. But for the most part, lately, the stocks that have been patient on have been really seeing these levels. So there is no bear market, says Kyoto. Stop talking that pessimistic stuff. Stocks only go one way. And they go up. You see this banner here? This chart? I mean, this chart. This little flag here that I got on Amazon before I started streaming. Um, Spy doing some sort of weird dead cat bounce this morning. Quad witching day. Don't forget. Damn, so many news articles. I don't even know what to. Pfizer. Oh yeah, the vaccine stocks. South Africa. Kyoto, you were talking about that yesterday, right? Omicron. PFE. Pfizer. Moderna was the one that was getting wrecked, which was a good stock that I liked, by the way. VIX. There we go. Our VIX alert is coming up. Nasdaq just came back down. Man. Quad witching is here, baby. Where's VIX at? 2301. What do you guys think the VIX closed at today? It looks like, look at this. VIX has a gap to close here at 26. It's funny saying that. Like VIX has a gap to close at 26. Because it's not a stonk. Tesla 923. You guys remember like the last couple quad witching days? No, not the last one. The first quad witching day back in. I mean, we live streamed that day. It was like March. Yeah, yeah, because it was or April, because it was the end of the quarter or somewhere around there. I forgot. But you guys remember how hyped up it was? Quad witching, how crazy it was hyped up, and nothing happened. Literally nothing. I think AMC and GameStop even closed red. And the disappointment that was on Reddit, on Twitter. I don't think we've seen like. I think it kind of cooled down a bit. Like these stocks kind of cooled down a bit. I might not be on Reddit a lot or Twitter. I might be losing like that touch. But that's just what I think. I think the sentiment kind of dropped. Roth is gonna buy GME at 400. Then, then he's changing his thumbnail, etc. Damn YouTubers. That's still another day I won't forget. The morning where GameStop was at like 400 pre-market. I was blown away. I was like, I've never seen anything like this. 400 is still a discount. We can argue about that. Remember, okay, Mr. Whale, this crypto guy. Remember who was telling you to take profits at an all-time high of Bitcoin at 69K versus who was telling you to take out a mortgage, sell your wife and kids, and go all in? You know who was telling me that? Michael Saylor. I'm down 18,000 and I'm still back holding GameStop and AMC. Fung man, I remember you. Welcome back to the channel. I remember you, buddy. I hope these stocks rally so you're able to at least take some profit. I mean, if you, yeah, you were here definitely earlier this year, so I don't really know what prices you got in at. But that's why I'm a big advocate in cutting losses and managing risk. That's the last thing that you want to happen to you, is holding a stock where you're down and you're at the mercy. You're at the mercy of what these stocks do. And I've been there before. Trust me. You lose sleep. You're stressing out. You can't think right. It's just like fear cripples you. You can't think right. Kyoto says hopefully it's 99% GameStop and 1% AMC. All right. You guys know what we talked about earlier? These pullbacks. I want these pullbacks to hold. And look what's happening. We're bouncing off the EMA, baby. Ride this up to 26. We're almost there at 26. Our little price target for today. After 26, I don't care what it does. It could go to 30. GameStop could go to 180. Let's see it. Heat map. All right, there we go. It kind of moves, so it's alive. The market's alive. But the floor is 42,069. Who has fear holding GME? But aren't you guys in the green? That's the thing. It'd be a different story now if you were in the red. Very different story. And again, your financial position also comes into consideration. Shares of EEV startup Rivian hit new low following the production stags in third quarter results. Oh, you're in a loss, Kyoto. See, I did not know that. I did not know that. See, so I would assume you're built different. You're completely zen. You're unfazed. Or another thing, another factor, have you gotten burned before? Like really, really burned. That scars you, man. As a trader, as an investor, you'll never be the same after that. In a good way. And in a good way, I want everybody to feel that and experience that. Like I mean it in the nicest way possible because it really does change you. It's like it forces you to shut everything off, close your eyes, and just really think to yourself. And I think now in the day and age we live where technology people are always on their phones, man. Like you go out, you go to the store, you see people are constantly on their phones. They don't have the time to just sit down and just think. Shut everything off. No technology, no phones, nothing. Just think to yourself and ponder. There's a good quote that goes I think it was Tony Robbins who said that when people succeed they party, but when they fail they ponder. I'm down 18K as well. You guys are all down 18K. And IDGAF, I think I've lost my mind. You've become completely numb. Zen mode. Here we go. AMC's about to crack 26, baby. Let's go. Keep these higher lows going. 26, baby. If you have no mind, there is no matter. Stocks extend falls. GameStop wake up, baby. 2607. Looks like we broke the wall. Nasdaq literally bounced off the lows today. I set an alert there just in case when we go away. You see how I rap? I should become a rapper. Put me on the new AMC mixtape. The new AM. You guys saw how Adam Aaron declined to come out on the documentary. What's the documentary even called? The AMC apes, the apes of Wall Street. That's your Moran's talked about this. That's your CEO right there. The guy who says he loves you. He has your back. He has times to come out to LA and meet the apes and do this premiere, but he doesn't have time to come out in the documentary. Apes Strong Together. That's the documentary. Apes Strong Together. Oh man, I need to punch a wall or something. I need to go to the gym and get the punching bag. Oh, if it sounds like you need a medicine buff from Starbucks, I'm telling you, the weather yesterday out here was insane. I got a massive migraine. I think because of that. It was hot at 10 a.m. and then I went to Long Beach, Cal State Long Beach, to school, and then it got really gloomy. It got cold, and then I got this massive migraine. But ain't nothing stopping me, baby. Hey, and I cook coffee, guys. I haven't drank coffee. I don't even know how long in the mornings anymore. I still take pre-workout later on in the day, so it doesn't mean I cook caffeine completely. But in the mornings, that's not the first thing I do anymore. No more coffee in the mornings. Also because my stomach would just be weird. It'd just be acting up. I think black coffee hurts my stomach. It's only 42 degrees? Exactly. What do you mean it's only 42? Uh-oh, NASDAQ coming down, baby. Cali weather and cold do not mix. It's bipolar out here, baby. It's like AMC. What's going on, David? Was hoping to tune in and see the spacesuit. Disappointed. Hey, we still have the spacesuit. We need to bring back the spacesuit. When, guys? When do we bring back the spacesuit? Alrighty, let's go back. Let's see. Hey, fun zone. That's what it made me like. See, I'm still burping right now, and I haven't ate. I don't get it. I thought it was the coffee, but it's right now. I think it's the water. I think I need to start drinking water. Fun zone. You said you can't survive without coffee. I thought the same thing too. The first day I tried to quit, I had these massive headaches, and for some reason now it just went away. Sell me the suit. I'll wear it with my blood, my sweat, and my tears on that. Or you want to wash, France? I'm not ordering anything from Amazon. You guys heard about that? The Amazon workers that passed away. Rest in peace, man. Jamer, yeah, Jamer is still alive. Jamer's in the back. Coffee is acidic, exactly. That's what I thought, but water is acidic too. Haven't had coffee in 2 months. There we go, hot this year. But have you still had caffeine? Have you still consumed? Oh, 24 degrees in Denver? You won't find me there, baby. Mid 70s in Texas. When I went to Texas out in June with Rob, it was so humid. Like I've never experienced like anything like that in my life. It was insane. I was like, there's no way. Like, how do people survive out here? Simping for billionaire Lex Luthers. Did you quit cold turkey or did you do it gradually? Honestly, it was cold turkey, but I don't remember doing it like consciously. Like I don't remember making the conscious decision that you know what, I'm not gonna drink coffee anymore. I just woke up one day. I'm like, I just been drinking. What first thing I do is I drink a lot, like one bottle of water. No, that's the trippiest part of Ragnar. You guys remember when we used to stream Power Hour? I would always get this person calling the home phone landline, whatever you guys were tripping. Oh, Ruff has a home. There we go, home phone. 2625 on AMC is still ripping, baby. Take me to 27. Take me to 27. GameStop's not. It's not like reacting to this. We should be like at 148, 149 right now for GameStop. There was always somebody calling me at the same time every single day. And that stopped when we stopped streaming. So that leads me to believe somebody knew my home number and was always prank calling me the same time every day. When I start drinking coffee again, GameStop will pump. Maybe, maybe. Oh my gosh, look at that. I love seeing this little bubble here. You know what that tells me? We're going to the freaking moon. 2643, 2645. This is not this. You know what I call this? The Spider-Man pump. Why AMC shares are rising. Yup, Spider-Man pump, blah blah blah, biggest night in history. Oh, and Adam Aaron tweeted, so Adam Aaron's kind of pumping the stock in a way. He always tweets pre-market. Volume on AMC, I have no idea, but we can go to Yahoo Finance. You know what? We should open up a portfolio now that the new year is coming up. 2022, baby. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do the inverse. I'm gonna call it the inverted Cramer portfolio. Inverted Cramer. You guys want to take a guess of what we're gonna do there? um. All right. Let's see. 73 degrees. Yes, it's pretty cold. 70 gets pretty chilly. Some of you guys are probably laughing right now. What's GameStop volume? All right, hold up. AMC volume is 17.3 million. Rivian is trending on Yahoo Finance, probably because it's tanking. GameStop volume is 623,000. AMC 2664. Look at this. Speaking of GameStop, it's warming up in here. 147.38. Let's look at the heat map. It probably turned green. Yeah, right. That's interesting though. Spy came down and yeah, it's a Spider-Man pump for sure. We're still waiting for that GameStop pump. Let's go. It's not retail moving AMC. They are covering that 21% SI. That'd be interesting. So we'd have to wait to see if that changed. Let's see. It's at 20.53. So it actually went up 3.3%. Interesting. Or unless Tuesday, since it's like what, T plus 2? It's delayed. We should see that drop to like, I don't know, back to 17 by Tuesday. We don't know. I'll keep you guys updated on the SI. Ortex, baby. You guys know what it is for Ortex. The most reliable source for information. The most trustworthy source for information on stonks. Alright, let's see Twitter. Let's see if people are losing their minds over AMC. Did they raise their price targets to 1 million now? AMC 500K, baby. It's still trending. AMC 2677. GameStop finally broke that resistance we had there. Looks like we're trying to climb back above 148. And AMC is still making highs as we speak. 2682. 86. I have a yep, Keith. I have a weekly buy in my 401. Just do the opposite of Cramer. That's what we're gonna do. HUD is green today. I need a new keyboard. My thing's like broken. Every time I click on the D, it doesn't work. 26.97. All right, AMC. You can kind of cool off now. We could allow a pullback to like what? My pullback zone will probably be here. My little pullback for AMC. It could probably hold support here. Lovely, lovely, lovely. This looks like nice, nice. It's green now. Talk about a dip on this one. Hmm. GameStop. 26.99, 27. Let's just hope Trey doesn't tweet. You know why? Because every time Trey tweets, this thing collapses. GameStop baby above 148. AMC above 27. All right, we allow a pullback on AMC. Let this cool down. Let it cool down, baby. Mm. Because they have to cover first on AMC since it's a hedge. Any ideas why my Lucid is diving? I forgot about Lucid. 57? It hit 57? Wow. I mean, every EV has been getting wrecked. I mean, we closed that gap here on Tesla for sure. So 900 was that initial resistance we had back in December and January. Last year, earlier this year. That's when I had the best trading months for Tesla, 900, and then we got wrecked. You guys know what happened? It came down to 539, and then had that ramp to 1200. But now it's using the previous resistance it had, December, January, as support. Tesla still remains in my eyes the number one EV stock. I don't use RSI, so I don't know stacks a lot because it's Lucid. Maybe have they got into production yet? I remember they said earlier this year, during spring, they were supposed to be in production after what, their Vegas or Nevada, I think it's Nevada. A factory, nothing yet. All they did was push the car down a hill and record it for Twitter, and people got hyped. Even when they had that merger, what was the stock before, the ticker before? I remember people got hyped over it. It went to $80 a company with zero deliveries at that valuation. Tripping, 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 tripping. I never understood why people were buying that. And people got wrecked when it came back down. GameStop 149. Has anyone ever had one of their positions go to zero? I mean, like an option? Or just like a stock, like shares? Because at that point, I mean, company's done. CCIV, thank you. I always forget that ticker. Churchill. Lucid would bounce like at 34, 35, and then go back to 40, then drop back to 28. What about Shiba? Another leg up incoming for what, AMC? No, I think AMC's gonna pull back right now, as it has, and as we predicted. Healthy, healthy retracements. This blue line, baby, is what you want to honor today. Honor the blue line. Looks like we're not even pulling back to 2650. There's no way this breaks above 2707 again. I call that strength, baby. GameStop 149. I have a stock I bought just below $2 and it's sitting at 50 cents now. Two offerings out of nowhere. Welcome to what? Penny stocks. Penny stocks 101. I started trading penny stocks. Why? Because I had a small ass portfolio. I couldn't buy the big boy stocks. I couldn't buy the Teslas. The Apples, the Amazons. I was like, you know what? I could buy 1,000, 2,000 shares of this crappy company that has this trial coming up, and we'll gamble on it. AMC's about to break 2707, baby. Let's go. Look at this. 2720. Oh my gosh. GameStop above 150. Unless it's like Luck and Coffee. That company went to zero real quick. The Starbucks of China. The everything of China has been getting wrecked. The Didi, the Uber of China. The Starbucks of China. The Arby's of China. How many Arby's franchises do you have now? None. Maybe in the future we'll do it for the memes. Maybe when I'm like a multimillionaire, we'll open up an Arby's for the memes. 2742, and we'll actually trade stocks from there. The Chipotle of China, believe it or not. All right, for those of you who don't know, I had Chipotle every single day for 94 days in a row. I don't know how I did it. 94 days in a row. I didn't even I didn't even reach 100 days. 94 days in a row, and I have not ate it like consistently since then. Like I don't crave it anymore. It's just like rice, beans, and steak and chicken. Like I get grossed out now. Thank you that you came back to AMC. I was so disappointed that you sold once. Why would you be disappointed? Don't ever have your faith in a stock just because somebody else has that faith, you know? Be convicted in the position because you're convicted. Because you believe in the stock, you believe in the company. Not because some YouTubers out there getting happy, excited, the stock's going up, you know? Like like if somebody were to sell Tesla right now and I have Tesla, I don't care. Because I'm convicted that EV is the future, you know? If you have Bitcoin and someone's out there, oh, Bitcoin's going to 10, I sold Bitcoin, don't be disappointed. Don't let anybody else's actions influence your emotions, your thought, your state of mind. Never do that. That's how I feel about Captain Morgan's. What is that? Captain Morgan's sounds like an alcohol. He is selling again. My smooth brain saw it. Morantz, please also teach Ralph why AMC is running today and how it has nothing to do with Spider-Man. Teach me. I'm all ears, baby. Rum. Ah, I knew it. That's MLS has been pushing that lately, pumping that. I think they got like a sponsor or something. So I was like, where have I seen that, Captain dude? Since I was like 17. And none of the alcohol disgusts me as well. I don't know what it is. I think something's wrong with my stomach. I need to probably go to the doctor or something. Go get checked up. Who's texting me? But GameStop 151. AMC has not pulled back yet. Interesting. I'm scared to pull this up on the 5 minute. It's looking like Tesla on a good day. Look at this. No, literally AMC has not crossed ever since it started rallying at 6:43 a.m. 15 minutes after the market opened. It has not crossed under the EMA. We've been literally rallying for like an hour straight. I need to get a new keyboard. This keyboard sucks now. Tesla. Oh my gosh, the V. Every time I think of the V, I think of Trump. You know why? Because he said that in one of his conferences. He's like, you know what? When the market came around because of COVID, he's like, the market's gonna go up. I believe in the V, and that's always stuck with me for some reason. Yeah, Kyoto Tesla, man. This heat map is like slow. Rip City 2765. You love Jameson now? I even felt disgusted. Why do I keep? I'm losing my sacks a lot. I just feel disgusted now. I don't know what it is. Apes got paid today. Who's selling? Who's holding? Oh man, who tweeted this? Career advice. Number one, take a student loan. Number two, buy Bitcoin. Number three, wait 4 years doing something else you love. Never look for a job again. Is Bitcoin going to 100K or is Bitcoin coming back down to 20K? What do you guys think about Bitcoin? Let me hear it. AMC is running because Adam Aaron is a visionary snake oil salesman. Hey, he did pump AMC before pre-market. It's funny how he tweets before pre-market or before the market opens. AMC, it is working. These tweets are working. Adam Aaron, keep them coming, baby. Warm up those Twitter fingers. 27.93 for AMC. We're 4 cents away, 3 cents away from 28. $28 was the last price we were at earlier this month, December 10, about a week ago. About a week ago, and wanted to make it look like a Spider-Man catalyst. That's what it is. Whatever you do, don't eat an onion. I'll never forget that either. 2803. GameStop collapsed before our eyes on the onion day. You guys remember that? Oh man. That stream is still up. I have to go look that stream up again. That's what it was. Jameson and ginger ale. Pickle juice. I have to end the stream now after I read that. I have to end the stream after I read that. Jameson and pickle juice. There's that pullback on AMC we were talking about, but not at the level I predicted, which was like 26.40, 26.50. Not yet, not yet. Someone slapped me. Let's see, refresh Ortex. Oh my gosh, the SI is going up on Ortex. 20.6 now. It's gone up like 0.10% since we started the stream. Don't knock it till you try it, right? It's like Arby's. All right, so I think we're safe and sound. Now that we're not near 23 on AMC for now, who knows what happens next week? Let's take a look at SPY really quick. Nice little rebound. I have alerts just in case things start going. I don't even know what Tesla's doing. The V. But let's hope that these stocks continue the rally. And I'll keep you guys updated in the Discord. Ragnar, I don't know what happened with the Echo Pump. This little stream thing I bought, it doesn't even work anymore. Like the buttons don't work anymore. Nothing works anymore. Let's refresh Twitter one more time. AMC to the moon is trending. Jim Cramer, choke on that. AMC Theaters is trending. Uh-oh. Let's click on the choke on that. I don't want to read this. This looks like an echo chamber. I don't need that. Jim Cramer's what I wanted to talk to you guys about. His plays. Where is the screenshot of all his recommendations from earlier this year? The financial terrorist himself. Which, by the way, I think is blocking a lot of people. He's blocking a lot of people. I need him to block me. A closer look at the stocks Jim Cramer told his audience to buy at the start of the year and what they're worth now. Let's see, what do we have here? Some notable names. This got 20,000 likes.
Extra quote-unquote one of the great ones when it came to stock trading. Lenny would write a newsletter for Cramer and charge people $1,000 a year for his stock picks. Lenny and Cramer would constantly brag about how bulletproof Lenny's stock picking record was. It was 445-1. But did Cramer endorse Lenny because he actually knew about investing, or because he was an out-of-control superstar athlete who could bring him attention? Well, Dykstra openly admits to never reading a book, so the chances of him actually mastering the markets are pretty low. With the help of Cramer, Lenny would build a reputation of being a stock whiz, leading him to bring in thousands of subscribers and millions of dollars worth of loans from banks. But it turns out, Lenny had no idea what he was doing. Most of his picks were copied from another investor who Lenny was friends with, and his strategy of picking stocks was basically to buy a stock and sell it as soon as it made any small gain. And if it dropped in value, basically hold on to it until it went higher than the price he bought it at. And if it never reached the price he bought it at, he would just hold it forever, losing a ton of money, but technically it didn't count as a loss. This strategy likely led Lenny and most of his followers to lose a bunch of money, but since Lenny never sold a stock for less than he bought it at, he was technically 445-1.
You know what I call that? That's the real diamond hander right there. Lenny, baby. Study Lenny. He has the real diamond hands. Reset the day in stream mode. Alright, let's see. Notable names. Plug. We got Plug on here. Let's see. What else do we have here? What else do we recognize? UAVS. F-Cell. Affirm. That was a good play, though. A workhorse. Oh my gosh. Viacom. Did that stock ever bounce? Skills is another one. Ride, Lordstown. Oh, don't talk to me about Lordstown. Where what was it? The CEO and the CFO resigned. They said, "Peace out. We're out of here. This company's going to zero." Ride, and people still called that bullish. That $3. The stock was at 12 when that happened. I was like, who in the right mind will buy that? That $3. GG's, man. We do not speak of a Vicom. Vicom never came back. I was so excited to buy that stock. Mr. Bill Wayne gave us a discount. Oh my gosh! Look at this. It never bounced. The dead cat never came. The cat just died. Well, it did. It did kind of bounce here to 47, but then it just flopped right back down. I think Stacks a lot. I think Stacks a lot bought this. But you know what? We'll set a couple of alerts just for the people who are still holding. I mean, this thing got wrecked. But let's set alerts here. AMC, I think, hit a new high here, 28. We're talking about Lenny, the Diamond Hands himself. There's another one. Vicom and Disco, I think. Disco was another one. And there was another one as well. Another of the Bill Wing stocks. I think it was Vicom, Discovery, and there was another one. AMC hit a new high, 28.37. We're approaching my little trend line here of resistance. Another one that never bounced back. GameStop, what are we doing? 153, 154. Let's go. What's going on, Gatsby? When is Spider-Man coming out on Disney Plus? I don't know if you guys are trying to troll me or anything. I don't know nothing about the HBOs of the Disney Pluses. I don't know when they're coming out. All I know is you can go watch it in an AMC theater, and AMC needs the money, guys. They're burning through cash, so they need the money. Go watch it. I heard it's a good movie. My cousin had to watch that movie twice in the same night because he said it was so good, and I'm not lying. He posted it on his story. He's like, I'm back to watch it again because it's so amazing. I recommend it. So glad you did not listen to me, LOL. AMC 2854. I'm telling you, this is insane. This is looking like a gamma squeeze now, like a gamma ramp. I think that's what I titled this video, no? Quadwitching live gamma plays. Speak things into existence. Let's go. GameStop new high 155. The charts look perfectly healthy, natural. No, absolutely, it's not healthy at all. There really isn't. We need a. This is gonna pull back. I just don't know what price. We thought we were gonna pull back here. Look at this. Nope. Remove this. No pullback zone. Oh my gosh! I just tapped my white line to the T. Literally, look. My white line is at 28.78, and the price is 28.77. If we get rejected off of this, these trend lines would be the reason for MOAS. Which, oh yeah, no wonder. This was the previous support. Please don't become resistance now. We got to break above that. Don't let that be the high of the day. That's going to disappoint me. GameStop 156.48 high. I'm not falling for that one again. Anyone thinking AMC will go higher than GME? I have some beachfront property to sell you in Idaho. Think about that. Beachfront Idaho. Just like LeVar Ball. Hey, I love that guy a lot. I ran into him like a couple times out of nowhere. It's so weird. And his son, Alonzo Ball, used to live at the complex here, or his girlfriend, his baby mama, used to live here. Not him, but he's like, if you think about what he really did with his kids, it blows my mind. Like he went to Cal State LA and he found his perfect partner. Like he said that she had to be tall, she had to be athletic. He literally like manifested and crafted these genes, these baller genes. GameStop, let's go, baby. Talking about ballers, to 156.50. Looks like it's about to rip to a new high. Oh no! What? Look at this. Talk about a V. But yeah, LeVar Ball, he's the man. He's like the master of speaking into existence. He's been saying it since kids were kids. I went to Cal State LA. Nice. David, you local? You from here? You local? I thought you were from like Texas or something. Or is that somebody else? I think I'm confusing you. Cal State LA. Yeah, I wanted, believe it or not, my senior year we took a trip to Cal State LA. I had never seen any other campus, so I thought the campus was amazing. I'm like, I want to go to school here. I'm going to go to school here. I applied. I got rejected from Cal State LA. I think the minimum was like a 2.0 GPA. I got rejected. I got rejected from there, from Cal Poly Pomona, from Northridge, and from Dominguez Hills. I got rejected from the 4 colleges that I applied to and ended up going to community college, in which I dropped out literally December in 2016. So 5 years ago. Literally, I think in 2 days was like my 5 year anniversary of me dropping out. I came back last year, and now I have a 3.73 GPA. Now I'm looking not even to go to Cal State anymore. I'm looking to go to UC. So it's never too late. No matter who tells you you can't do something, screw them. If school tells you you're not good enough, you are good enough. Bounce back, baby. I'm doing a BBB stream coming. Oh, Marantz is doing a Build Back Better stream. There we go. I used to live in LA, born and raised in LA. I moved to North Carolina about 1.2 years ago. Wow. See, Cal State LA. Was it a good school, or what'd you major in? Because now I'm hearing a lot of other things. He pumped his kids' stocks to the moon, well, except for that son who stole in China, Jello, and Trump had to bail him out. Why am I getting terrible tweets recommended? I don't even follow her. Who's still here holding AMC? I'm gonna reply. I'm gonna put, yeah, I'm looking. 1 million is the floor. I think she made a huge mistake the other day too. That there was like 4 million puts. It was like 40,000. Bed Bath and Beyond. No, Moran said he's doing a Build Back Better stream. Twitter feed is the worst with AMC. It's all the algorithm. Whatever you click, whatever you spend your time or the content consuming is what the algorithm is gonna push onto you. It's just like YouTube. If you watch stocks, guess what? All you're gonna see is Trey, Matt, me, Review Dork, all these mass investors on your feed. But if you look at sports, that's all you're gonna see. That's how the algo works. All right, here we go. Looks like we're finally gonna respect the pullback here on AMC. Where do we go? 27, 27.50, 26. Let's see how this pullback unfolds on us. Or do we not pull back? Or 28 is the bounce. That'd be epic if 28 was the bounce. Elmo, what's going on, Monster Buddy? She's pushing her OnlyFans extra hard. Maybe I should start my OnlyFans. It's insane the way I think about it now because everybody in this movement has something to sell. They're capitalizing on the apes, and I've been saying this since day one. Since March, April. Be careful, man. These people out here, they're here to take your money. Mechanical engineering, nice, good degrees for the money I had my way. I would have chosen Cal Poly Pomona. Yeah, Cal Poly Pomona is actually the best engineering school out here. Cal Poly. Though my dream school was UC Davis. That's actually another school I'm eyeing, David. UC Davis. I had a buddy who went there, and he actually majored in the same thing I want to major in, economics. Economics, because they don't have a business administration program like San Diego does. UCLA doesn't either. Berkeley, they do have a business program, but it's very difficult to get in. They're practically looking for perfection. Or Santa Barbara too, but I don't know. I still haven't got accepted at any. Who knows? I might get rejected from all of them. I might get accepted from all of them. We don't know. UC Davis is super wokey woke. It's not that far away from Berkeley either. So we don't know. GameStop pulling back 152. AMC still at 27. Ralph will always be my financial advisor. Don't say that. I don't want to get sued. Uh-oh. Oh no, I got a notification on Twitter. I thought somebody replied to my tweet. Games GM to start shipping 113,000 electric Hummer pickups to customers. Is that how much they really cost? It looks ugly. It looks like, as Morantz would say, gross. 113K for a pickup? Who is this guy? I'll laugh when I see any stories about carjackings involving these. Oh my gosh, I would 113K? IMAX CEO was just on CNBC. What a friendly guy. And Adam Aaron preyed on his downfall. Is that the only way AMC is gonna survive out of this rut? Is to prey on the competitor's downfall? Is that the only way they're gonna survive? Just go to USC and buy your way in. That's what they always say. Just go to Harvard and buy your way in. Irvine is good. UC Irvine is like one of the. It was the lower tier schools like many years ago, and then it really, really rolls up to its prestige level recently. I think Warren Buffett's kid goes there. I mean, that's all you gotta know. Warren Buffett's kid goes to UC Irvine. Yeah, but UC Irvine's another hard school to get into. Really, really hard, and it's not far from me either. All right, guys, we're gonna end it here. We're probably gonna be back Monday or Tuesday. I'll let you know, Marantz, what's up, but we'll be back. Hopefully, you guys have an amazing rest of your weekend, rest of your Friday. Hopefully, these stocks are looking very, very healthy, by the way, very solid with support levels. So we'll see what happens. We'll see you guys next week. I'm gonna plug in the Discord. You guys could find me in there. Who is this guy DMing me on Discord? I'm so tired of these bots. How is this? I'm so tired of these bots DMing me on Discord. NFTs bots are coming in on the wait list. Get out of here. It's so insane. Yeah, happy holidays to everybody. Have a safe weekend. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Go get some exercise. Go do some yoga. Read a book. I'm gonna start recommending you guys some books. By the way, you guys need to read. Read some books. Um, and that should be it, right? Yeah. Maybe I'll have a video up by tonight, and we'll see what happens. Maybe I definitely wouldn't buy some more AMC here at these levels. Maybe start unloading some. I should have just held, but it is what it is. Easy in hindsight, right? Everyone's a genius. We're testing the EMA on the daily, so not bad to a start on this Friday. Quadwitching. Hopefully things don't flip, or the inverted MOAS as we call it, and AMC and GameStop start dropping. We don't need that. That books are great. That's you know what they say, man. If you want to hide something from somebody, put it in a book. Why? Because people don't read. Oh, Morantz, I might be his kid went to Irvine. His kid went to Irvine. And you guys know what happened in Santa Barbara, right? With Charlie Munger. I think he built a building there and it has like no windows and people are going crazy over it. I'm not sure if you guys heard about that. But yeah, there's a lot of great schools out there. And a lot of smaller tier upcoming schools like Riverside, Merced that are not as prestigious yet, but I think are going to be prestigious in the future. Just like Irvine. Irvine wasn't prestigious and now it pretty much is up there. The acceptance rate is really low. Ray Dalio, Bitcoin is like a younger generation's alternative to gold and it has merit. Yeah, I somewhat agree. Gold's rigged anyways. Book report? I mean book report. Passing the wisdom, the knowledge is in the books, man. If you really think about it, whoever wrote that book is composing and all their life experience in a book that you can buy and read and sit down and learn in 1 to 3 hours. You're reading what this person experienced throughout their entire lifetime in a couple hours. Why wouldn't you do that? You're cutting your learning curve. You're saving money, energy, and time. You know? All right, guys. Have an amazing rest of your Friday. I'll see you guys either Monday or Tuesday, because I think the market's gonna get a little bit more crazy, a little bit more volatile. So I'll see you guys later. Peace out.